Lissette here from JVS Insurance. Really excited because we're starting a new video series and it's all about claim history and claims and claim prevention and best claim practices. So everything about claims. We are with Vanessa Restrepo today. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
She is our client support specialist. So she spends her day in, day out dealing with clients with active residential policies here at JVS Insurance. She helps people with claims, save money, any endorsement changes, in and out, everything about residential insurance. So thank you again for joining us. And I'm really excited to just have a conversation about claims and residential claims in specific, because you deal with that so much. So what would you suggest to someone if they suffer from a claim in their home?
Depends. First thing, either call the police, the ambulance, or the fire rescue.
Absolutely.
Depending on what's the severity.
Yeah, because if you have a fire, you better not be calling your insurance agent first. You better be calling 911.
911.
Absolutely. So after all of that kind of calms down, what would you suggest for a person to do? What would be next?
The next thing I would suggest for someone to do is definitely take pictures or video, record all the damages that happen, make sure that you get a footage of it either by picture or record.
Yeah, absolutely. I would suggest also have your declaration page, your policy, right? Because that's where your company's information is, your insurance agent's contact information.
Yep.
Here at JVS, somebody like Vanessa will definitely walk you through the claims process. So your policy number is important, your company carrier is important.
Also, rapid response.
There's rapid response.
Some carriers have rapid response where they can assist you.
That's right, and manage repair programs. A lot of companies nowadays could help you solve your claims. If there's water extraction that's needed, any remediation, anything that needs to have an emergency repair, some carriers nowadays, a lot of them send their adjusters and their field people out to your property, sometimes within the first 3-5 hours.
Mm-hmm.
So that's very beneficial, and I'm glad that insurance companies are in the forefront of claims like that for people. So so now that we filed our claim, right? Now that we filed our claim, what would be the next step? Like, what happens if you don't record and you keep receipt? Like, what could happen to your policy?
Not good stuff. And in the sense where, like, if you don't record and you don't take pictures of your damages, you can get non-renewed if you don't provide the supporting documents to your insurance carrier.
So definitely insurance companies today want to make sure that your claim, when they pay out your claim, that you make your repairs, and they need proof of that.
Yep.
How many times a day do you get clients that you're calling about proof of repairs?
Oh, all the time.
All the time.
All the time.
Because we're trying to avoid problems with the current company and, of course, the renewal.
Yep.
Our renewal team has to make sure that everything is repaired in order to offer something new. Even reshopping, right? Tell me a little bit about that.
So it's very important for the clients to know that they need to make sure that they're using licensed contractors.
Oh, good point. Very good point.
Because if you don't use a licensed contractor, when it's time to renew, they're going to ask for these proof of repairs, and they're not going to have somebody that did the work up to code, which is what they care about.
Yeah, absolutely. So definitely our recommendation is record, keep receipts, even if it's from Home Depot. If you have a contract with a general contractor or a roofer or whoever is doing these repairs in your property, they must be licensed, and that needs to be turned in to the insurance company, or Vanessa will definitely turn it in on your behalf to your insurance company. So that's extremely important. I don't want clients to be non-renewed, and we have a bunch of carriers that we could re-quote you for your renewal time and reshop you. But if you have an open claim, or if you have existing damages, or maybe you repaired but didn't show simple proof of that repair, you can't go to another insurance company and reshop your policy. So it's extremely important. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
No more questions. No more questions. So we hope this conversation helps you. And if you're not suffering from a claim and you know somebody that is, please pass along this video to them. We hope that it helps them out too. So thank you so much, and stay tuned for our future episodes. We're going to be sitting with more more of our team members here at JVS Insurance. We're going to talk more about claims and the processes, even some examples of claims that our clients have suffered in our home, our commercial, auto, life, and health departments. So please stay tuned. And of course, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. And please visit our website at www.jvsinsurance.com, where you will see our newsletter and find out more info about us. So thank you, and stay tuned for more.